Hi, my name is Soumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Redefine blog. In today's blog, we will be talking about the market. I think as you by now you must have heard that BJP has done extremely well in 5 states, and out of which 4 states they have almost got the majority on every state, and one state has gone to Aam Aadmi Party. So based on those things, market reacted very positively. So if you see the market yesterday and today, you can see that almost all over the globe markets were big positives. Nasdaq was up by approximately almost 4%. If you look at Japan, Japan was up by approximately 3.94% today. Hang Seng was up by approximately 1.27%. So if you look at the overall trend, that markets are in a better position, and we are expecting that market are going to do well. Now, if I come across to Sensex, today Sensex has gone up by about approximately 817 points, that is 1.5%. Sensex closed at around 55,464 today. Nifty had done an excellent run today, is up by 249, almost 250 points, and closed around 16,594. Nifty Bank up by approximately 1.95%. So Nifty Bank was a bit down since long, and now it is starting getting the momentum. 34,475. Nifty mid cap is 28,038 level, up by 0.91%. Small cap is 10,066, 138 points up, that means 1.4%. If I talk about the sector wise, Nifty financial services did extremely well, 1.83% up. Nifty metal up by 2.28%, and Nifty consumption up by around 2.06%. Nifty pharma is up but not significantly, others are almost in the same range. So if we look at overall the trend of the market, we find that yes, bulls are trying to hold it. Right now I do not have the data of FIIs and DIIs purchase and sell, but I firmly believe that even this time also DII bought and FII sold. If we look at the selling of FIIs, I believe that we have crossed or near to the even 2008 FII selling data. So they have relentlessly sold their positions in couple of months, and fortunately the DIIs did extremely well. They bought it, which I predicted yesterday that crude is going to fall, and we have seen that crude has crashed from 140 almost to 112, 113. Problem of Russia and Ukraine is yet to get over, but frequent ceasefire has come that both the countries may have a face-saving agreement, and probably the war will end. So with these kind of things, I personally believe that US Fed will go for a rate hike of around 0.25%, which market has already factored in. And we may see some ups and downs, the volatility, because India's VIX has come down significantly, but still it is hovering around 25, 24 level. So once the VIX is up, obviously you understand that the volatility of the market would remain very high. Even today also the volatility was a bit higher, though it's on the positive side. I think if you are a long-term investor, then much worry, you don't need to be that worried. I think eventually you may start buying on every dip as market progress. But if you are short-term traders, yes, you may face a lot of volatilities. Most of the clients whom I met are investor. They have a goal-based planning. They are a long-term investor. Hence, they might not face much difficulties in the market. So you may continue it to that way, like not chasing any unknown stock. I think it is better if you remain to the blue chip stocks, to the known stocks where the earnings are good, where price to earning is less, and you may buy it at an appropriate level. Then it may help you to grow it. But if I look at today's global data right now, UK is approximately 0.87% down, France is approximately 2.14% down, and Germany is approximately 2.13% down. Our Singapore Nifty is also down by 0.24%. So overall, that because of the VIX and the geopolitical problems, market will remain volatile. If I give you an opinion, I think this year market will remain slightly jittery, and you may see a lot of volatility. I think that if you don't cross 16,800 to 17,000 level, you cannot consider to be that bull has come. Rather, we can consider that it is still on the market is indecisive in this point of time. It may go down, go up, but take the proper call at the proper time, which will help you. I think if you have a proper financial advisor, he will or she will help you in terms of giving you the what kind of stocks you should buy or what kind of mutual fund you should buy. A lot of people maybe on a if you ever require the money on the short term basis, or probably 3 months or 6 months down the line, then every rally probably an opportunity to sell and generate the profit for yourself. If you are a long term, for 5 years, 7 years kind of a horizon, if you have, or if you are keeping this fund as your retirement corpus or something like that, then probably every dip, probably your best friend to invest small amount on every dip, and then consider this rally to grow your portfolio a significant level. If we look at the Nifty part, I think 2-year return is still very high, is approximately 48% kind of a return 2 years, so 24%, 23% annualized return, which is still considered to be high. So we may see that if this level continues for probably another 3-4 months of time, and here the market consolidates, then obviously it will also come reasonable. You should understand one thing, that market won't give you a return of extraordinary. It actually eventually will give you return approximately 12 to 15% only in annualized time. It may give you 70% return in 1 year and then minus 20% another year, or minus 10% another year, and eventually come down to around 12 to 15%. I think you should see the market in that level. You should not see it like it can generate a massive return every time. And if you're a mutual fund kind of an investment, you should not expect also that thing. Even if you're a stock, eventually it will come to that thing, because some year you may make a massive profit and some year you will not make the profit. Contrasting to both the things, you may able to generate approximately 12 to 15% return. I feel if the inflation is 6% and you are generating a return of approximately 12 to 15%, it's literally a good return. So based on that thing, I feel that you may see some downfall in the market probably in coming days. But overall, because of this BJP win, the geopolitical things may settle down soon and oil settle down soon. We may see a good rally once the market reaches approximately 17,000 kind of a level. But again, do not invest based on the YouTube video or a recommendation given by anyone. You should invest the money based on your goal, or take a proper advice from a financial advisor or a investment advisor who knows how to do it. As well as if you know yourself how to do it, then you can take the call accordingly. Strongly recommend, don't go only by YouTube videos and take the positions accordingly. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will come up with this kind of video again and again. If you like it, you may share it. You may subscribe to the channel, because we will come up with your queries on a regular basis. If you have any query, you may send us a detail, and we will definitely give some answers to that queries. Thank you for watching.